Research projects at WVU must be submitted to the IRB for approval or acknowledgement. This ensures that the project meets university and federal guidelines. This fall, an upgraded application for IRB Protocols is coming to WVU+kc. The new IRB application is being phased in gradually, one protocol type at a time. During the first phase, only NHSR type protocols can be submitted in new WVU+kc. Your researcher dashboard will continue to link to the old WVU+kc IRB protocol form, where you can still submit protocols for all other research projects. To submit an NHSR protocol in the new WVU+kc module, log in to wvu.kuali.co and then click on Protocols to start. You'll land on the Manage Protocols page. Start a new protocol by simply clicking the New Protocol button and choosing IRB. After entering some basic information, you'll be able to complete each section of the form and upload any required documentation. Submitting an IRB protocol requires approval and certification of a data protection plan. Learn more about the WVU Research Data Protection form and process in the ITS knowledge base. After an initial review, you will receive email notification if the protocol has been approved or if some additional detail or correction is required. You can find more information about the new WVU+kc Protocols module in the ITS knowledge base at it.wvu.edu/help.